Okay, I don't know why I was trying to like lock or whatever, but anyway, man, as you can see here, got the dope panel off. Why do you have the dope panel off, you might ask? Well, this thing here needs not only door lock actuators to lock and unlock the doors, but it also needs window motor, which is conveniently mounted, I guess behind here somewhere. I can't really show you back there, but yeah, there's the plug for it. 2 wires right there. This motor I know is gone the most, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. And then if I have time, I am kind of fighting weather. The clouds look like the rain coming in time now, so we're gonna get this motor and actuator replaced, and then we will replace the motor and actuator on the driver's side. That way our windows can go up and down. Last video, we went ahead and put in the new door trim, or excuse me, new window seal or door seals, so we don't have to worry about that. Extra water getting up in the whip and everything like that. So let's see what else we got to do to this beauty. Alright, so let's say you want to replace your window motor. Alright, these are gonna be the steps. I'm gonna run them down to you real quick. Not real in depth, not real deep, just up and up. So there are going to be, I believe it's 3. I think it's 3 rivets. 1, 2, 3. They're gonna hold your motor actually to the door. But before you take the motor off, you have to have this window held in the up position. The only way that I know, other than having another person with you to hold it up in the up position, is using tape. So tape up the window across the door so it holds it up. I did the same thing on the Rivian when I had it and went from there. After it is held in the up position, then you can drill out your rivets. Boom, boom, boom. If you're gonna go ahead and change the actuators, you can go ahead and drill them out too. Boom, boom. Once you get them drilled out and removed, you can either use bolts or you can use new rivets to put your new motor back in, whatever you prefer. Now that I understand how rivets work, I actually don't mind rivets. So yeah, that part. So let's get into this shit. Let me get this shit drilled out and go from there. Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. And I just had to flex my hat game for y'all right quick. Shout out to my dog, DJ Jamalot, at DJ Jamalot on Instagram, man. So I had to flex my hat collection from at DJ Jamalot one time. Now, let's do a little montage. So, cue the music. So the following message has been brought to you by Chevy 254, man. Make sure y'all go holler at that boy DJ Jamalot on Instagram. Yes, sir. Get your fitted Chevy Rider or Caprice today. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Chevy 254, man. As you can see, I got this taped up. We back. It's like day 2. I was working on the window and then I couldn't get the bolts or the rivets on the actual motor to the regulator to undrill. Need some drill bits. We're trying to find some drill bits. ran across this shit and was like, yo, I need to install it. So basically what this is it's a reservoir, coolant return system, part number BVR4, for big vehicles. 4x4 trucks, van, RVs, and full-size cars. And the box Chevy, I definitely would say, is a full-size car. I was going to run the original, but as you can see with the modification that we've had to make to the vehicle, you got your AC line, it's running right there. It's not gonna mount where it's supposed to mount. Plus it's all, you know, dirty, dingy, whatever. I mean, you could paint it black, but you know, if they make a solution like this, then why not? It'll have it out the way. Originally your battery would be on this side if you got a box Chevy, but if you did like I did, I moved mine over to that side, and now it's gonna allow me to, boom, do just that. So that one's gonna line up. It looks like I'm gonna have to flex that one over just a tad, make sure it lines up with that hole, and then we can mount our reservoir here. Quick, simple installation. Comes with looks like some mounting hardware or something, as well as the hose. Gotta love the hose. Gotta love the hose. So yeah, man, that's what we're working with this morning. I'm gonna knock this out, and then I'm gonna have to go buy some drill bits or find some drill bits here in the garage so that I can finish that window motor today. Right, so as you can see here, I kind of just got it loosely fit in there. As you can see, that way you'll see that the bracket is in there. This little vacuum ball, not really gonna be a problem. No, I mean, we need them. I mean, it won't necessarily move. Or even if we needed to move said vacuum ball to maybe this side, kind of more out the way, then maybe that could be an option. We'll see. Once I get it mounted down off in there, we'll know for sure. We'll go from there. So as you can see, we got it kind of semi-mounted. Well, just missing one screw. We're gonna have to go to the stove. Might have to go to the stove to get some coolant anyway. But anyway, pretty simple instruction. I mean, in through there, if it overflows, it's gonna drain out the front and down onto the ground from up under the car. So not really rocket science, needed a video by itself, but I mean, it will fit off in this application. Really, you can make anything fit with some, if you finagle it. So now, like I said, we're gonna have to probably go to the store to get some drill bits. If I can't find them in this garage, probably within the next 30 minutes. So, got a rivet, some I've been having. It should be small enough to fit off in here. Got the old motor out. New motor ready to go in. Identical replacement. All that jazz. So yeah, we just gotta basically rivet this joint on here. And be good to go. You just gotta punch out those to make sure they go all the way through. I don't know what kind of grease would I put up in there. Yeah, some type of lubrication so that it goes as smoothly as possible. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that looks nasty. So that's what we're in the process of doing. Y'all let me know what I should put off in there to lubricate that, if anything. and then we'll go from there. But this is gonna be the end of this series. Once y'all let me know, then I'll go ahead and replace or grease whatever I need to grease in there. Put that motor back and then do the driver's side. And then I'm not gonna necessarily do a video for this, for the actuator. I mean, it's literally 2 rivets, bang bang, and then put the new one in, and then we got door lock. So pretty much just rebuilding both of the doors, actuators, motors, door seals, everything. So